Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn how to use the Custom Cursor app to customize your Shopify store. Alright, let's jump in and see how it works. Open your web browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the link, then search for Custom Cursor. Open the app from the search results. Custom Cursor replaces your store's default mouse cursor with attractive, colorful, and stylish designs. There's a free plan too, so if you just want to try it out, you can start without spending anything. Click Install to add the app to your store. After installation, open the app from your Shopify admin. You'll land on the app dashboard where you can browse a wide range of cursor styles. Pick a cursor you like, then click Save and Publish. Now head to your storefront and refresh the page. You'll see your cursor has changed. Want to try a different style? Just go back into the app, pick another cursor, publish it, and refresh. You can switch anytime. If you want premium collections and extra features, here are the paid plans. Basic plan, $3 per month or $30 per year. Pro plan, $6 per month or $60 per year. Enterprise plan, $9 per month or $90 per year. Choosing the yearly option saves you about 17% on each plan. With paid plans, you can also adjust the cursor size, bigger or smaller, whatever fits your store. After changing it, click Save and Publish, then refresh to see it live. The Pro plan also lets you upload your own custom cursor image, giving you complete control over your store's cursor design and branding. If this video helped you, drop a like and the link to try the app is in the description.